What's going on, everybody? I'm Starvin, and today we're going to be cooking and cleaning some Dungeness. And I'm also going to be showing you how to cook a lobster because of how similar it is, and it's also very easy. First, we're going to take care of the lobster. When buying these glorified cockroaches, you want to buy the females for sweeter meat and fuller shell. If they have a few barnacles, great. The way you tell which is which is by looking at the first two little leg things. If they're hard, it's a male. If it's soft, it's a female. Let's drop our first set of bugs into boil. If these are Washington crabs, you can just cook them whole. But nope, they're from Alaska waters. We need to eviscerate them first. Washington crab will have these little rubber bands on them I call the handcuffs. Just a little warning, there will be crabs disemboweled in this video. If you're squeamish, please watch something else and don't complain to me. To clean your crab, slip your hand in between the carapace and the legs and pull the shell up like so. Scrape off the gills. These are inedible and you don't want to eat them because they'll make you really sick and you might die. And all you gotta do is scrape out the guts. If you got a sharpened spoon, that's great. Break off the front and back bits if you like. If you don't want to, it really doesn't matter. I don't usually do it for myself. While I take care of the rest of these, we'll go over why I can't cook Alaskan Dungeness whole. Refer to the QR code or the link in the description if you're having a hard time following along. I promise it's from the state, it's not a scam. As a cautionary note, paralytic shellfish poisoning, PSP, has been found in the internal organs of Dungeness crab. Therefore, butcher the crab before cooking and do not eat the internal organs, including the quote crab butter, hepatopancreas, where or when the toxin is found to be unpredictable. But high levels have been found in Dungeness crab throughout Alaska. Take this one precaution and continue to enjoy Alaska's tastiest seafoods. Love, Alaska Fish and Game. Make sure you spray the insides off real good and get the guts out. All that movement you see is pretty normal. That's going to go on for a little bit. They can still pinch you, so even though they're dying, they can still make you scream like a little bitch. We usually end up cooking the ones that have all the dishes missing right away because people don't want to buy them live. They feel like they're getting screwed. After about 12 minutes, your lobster's asses will be floating. Take them out and shock them in ice water, preferably salted for flavor. Whole versus half crabs take about the same amount of time. Most boil them for about 20 minutes, but for me that's way too long. 10 minutes is good enough or until they're floating. After that, shock them in ice water just like the lobster and gorge yourself on these delicious bottom-feeding bastards. I hope this is helpful. If you made it this far, you should subscribe. It won't cost you anything. And for now, goodbye.